Hello everyone, today we're gonna be unboxing and installing this Arlo video doorbell. I bought the Arlo because I already have the Arlo ecosystem, but also because there are plenty of good reviews on YouTube. It seems that a lot of people claim to be much better than the Ring. But aside of that, to be quite honest, it's just because I have already the Arlo ecosystem. You get the Arlo video doorbell. Quite chunky, good size, and aesthetically I believe is not bad at all. Yeah, you have the two connectors in the back. Obviously this doorbell needs power, and like any other smart doorbells, they need 24 volt power, and then you get the transformer, which is meant to go to the fuse box. That's why you have these holders. Normally you supply with the AC to 40 volts, and then you can get a combination of different voltages from ranging from 8 to 24, yeah, depending on how you link in between 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, and so on. But there's a very chunky bit of the kit that needs to, unfortunately, you have to install it somewhere. I'm trying to figure out where it's best to install it, not to show. Plenty of videos on YouTube installing it next to the chime, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna try to hide it somewhere so it's a bit neat. But also my installation today is gonna be including the old mechanical chime. Yeah, I want to keep it because aside of having the digital Alexa or Echo around the houses where they can warn you if somebody is ringing your doorbell using this product, I would like to keep the traditional mechanical chime as well. The connector, or the what they call it, the connection to the chime that you need is like a fuse, but it's needed to get the mechanical chime working. And then you have a kind of a key to open the doorbell, and finally you have the angled plate to install it, to provide you an angled view of this. But we'll go around that and install it. But that's what you get into the box, plus some screws and wood plugs, as well as some extension cable of connectors. Yeah. This is the traditional doorbell that we're looking to replace. It is connected to this chime. Is a data chime. It's a mechanical one. If you open it, you're gonna see that you have a transformer. Unfortunately, this transformer is not gonna be working, or not. You have to replace it with the previous transformer that I showed you. This provides only about between 8 to 12 volts. It's not enough to power to supply to the Arlo doorbell. So we're gonna try to remove this, keep the chime, and try to conceal the Arlo transformer somehow within this. Yeah, we have AC power coming, and there is the connector that goes to the doorbell that we're gonna be reusing. Yeah. So here is this chime removed. So what we're gonna do first is remove the transformer. Seems to be quite straightforward. There are two pink holders that you push them together here, and then unplug. And then what we're gonna do is use this chunky 24 volt transformer and try to find a way to put it in the back. I'll decide later on what is the best disposition, as long as it is between the two screws. So the idea behind it is this area will go inside the wall, and then leave the thing that's going to be fully concealed within the wall, and then you will have it. I'll try to put it somewhere here, but as you can see it's quite big, and you can't fit it inside. For the box to go inside, it's not gonna work. Yeah, and you need to keep this area completely free for the chime to work later on. Yeah. So here's the final product. So I attached the transformer to the back of the box, yeah. And then the Arlo power kit is attached to the front. So I connected one of the cables coming from the Arlo power kit into the chime itself, one of the cables, doesn't matter which, just as long as one connector. So I hold that here, and the transformer is really sturdy, hold in place using a heavy duty Vectro. So the other lead coming from the power kit is going straight into the transformer slot number 4, which is the 24 volt, and then the lead coming from the chime, the second one, is connected to an extension cable here, just to give me ease of access, because it was a very short cable. I don't want any cables for the AC or the Cat5 cable that is going to the Arlo itself to be coming from the front. Everything is the back. I think it looks very neat. Right now all is left to do is connect the AC power to the slot number, I think is 5 and 6, and then the Cat5, one of the connectors coming from the Cat5, or one of the cables, let's say the blue twisted cable, is gonna go into transformer number 1, and the other orange twisted cable, it will be connected to the chime here, so you can close the circuit. Just to show you where it's gonna go, I already slotted the area where it's gonna fit. Again, you have the AC power, the live and neutral. The earth is not needed, so I'm just gonna shield it and tuck it away. Yeah, cut it and shield it and tuck it away. And then, as I said, the blue is gonna go into the transformer, and the orange is gonna go into this white extension. Yeah, so I'll install it and show you the end result. Here is the end, or the result of the connection of the AC power and the transformer. As I said, the power kit connects to one slot number 4 or number 1, it doesn't matter which order, to be quite honest. Here's the final result. So the transformer is quite concealed within the wall. You can see the power kit and then the chime. One thing to note, I had to switch to X instead of the circle. The circle works, but it makes a funny ding-dong. It's not the right ding-dong. When you put it into X, the ding-dong is much better. So if I go back right now into the door and you press it, and it starts perfectly well. So I hope this video was useful. Please bear with me, this is my first YouTube channel video. So if you wanna comment, or if you need any help, just leave a comment and I'm pretty sure I'll come back to you. Thank you.